So LG's launched its new powerful range of XBOOM series speakers, and to tell us more about it, I'm joined with Aamir Hasan, who's the marketing head of Home Entertainment LG India. Aamir, welcome.
Hi. Thanks for having me.
Okay, so the very first thing, these new series, what was the motive of actually launching it, and what new do we have from LG this time?
So what we have realized over the years is that there is not a single product which can satisfy all the needs of the customer. So we are launching 3 different products today under our XBOOM series, and all these 3 products are aimed at a different customer altogether. So we have this product here, XBOOM Go. So this is primarily for person who is very interested in moving outdoors. So this is a US military grade approved product. So even if you drop it or something passes over it, nothing will happen to the product. And it gives a powerful 5 watt sound. So this is one product. Then we have another product here, which is a very beautiful lifestyle product with mood lighting. This is having a 360-degree sound. So you can basically place it in between, and the sound basically moves around you completely. And it has 12 different modes of lights. This is a very lifestyle product suited for your indoor homes. And the third and final product is the biggest range of XBOOM which we have, XL7S, which is a 1000 watt speaker. And this product is on 5,000 rupees. This is at 13,000 rupees, and the biggest one is 64,000 rupees, 64,990 rupees.
So we see quite a range of the pricing here, from going from 5,000 to about 60,000 plus. So any reason of this price range that these products have been kept in for any?
So as I told you, these products are serving a specific purpose and targeting a very specific part of market. So these are actually doing justice to all the competitor and all the customer needs in that particular price segment.
So do we have any festive offers? Because since the Christmas around the corner, there's also New Year that's around the corner. So any discount that we have?
So we are just launching the product, right? So there won't be any festive offers, right? But we certainly look at some good momentum which we might get in December and January with the festival coming.
So the XBOOM series has been there for LG for quite some time, and these are the new additions. So how has the sale been all this while, and how the product perform in the market if they need to get it?
So this is something which is very well accepted in market. These party speakers, there are hardly 2 or 3 companies which are into that market, and we are the one who have started a karaoke boom with our products. We were the first to introduce free mics with this product, and customer has really loved this product for last 5-6 years now.
So, moving forward, would we see more additions into it any sooner? Because obviously these are just launched. These are all exclusive ones, like the one you showed. Somebody who's on the go could probably carry this. This is a very different concept altogether. This is a lifestyle, more of a lifestyle speaker that we can see, and the expensive one is the one which is the party speaker. So the speakers cater to all line of people that who are into speakers with different lifestyle and design and purpose. So with this, any new addition that we'll be going to see in the future?
We will see the response of these products in next couple of quarters. And the next launches will be only post that. So these are the new launches in that particular category, but we have around 5-6 different products in party speakers also, which caters to different segment of the market, different price ranges.
And are they readily available now to buy for the customers?
So we will be started selling this on our platform lg.com next couple of days, and within couple of weeks it will be available at all the retail stores.
Thanks, Aamir. Thanks for talking.
Thank you. Thanks.
So that was Aamir Hasan, who told us all the insight into the new speakers that have been launched by LG, and that's from the XBOOM series.